Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a column in Google Sheet. It's simple and can really help clean up your data. First, find the column you want to delete. To select it, simply click on the letter at the top of the column. For example, click on column A to select it. Once the column is selected, right-click on the column header and from the menu that pops up, choose delete column, and just like that the entire column is gone. You can also delete multiple columns at once. Simply click and drag to select the columns. Right click on any of the selected columns headers and then choose delete columns. This remove all selected columns at once. Made a mistake? No problem. Just press Ctrl Ctrl plus Z on Windows or CMD plus Z on Mac to undo the column deletion and bring it back. And that's how you delete columns in Google Sheet. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you like to learn more Google Sheet tricks.